I think we're all on a journey, just like Peter and I were on a journey, and Ian Paisley and I before that. I mean, I suppose Ian Paisley and I confounded everybody whenever we developed a decent working relationship and a friendship that lasted until the day he died. And of course, whenever I went into government with Peter Robinson, people wondered how that would work. But you know, I was part of an administration way back in the early 2000s that collapsed on 3 occasions under the tutelage of the SDLP and the Ulster Unions. But we've been in government for 8 years, and institutions haven't collapsed once. And of course, Arlene has been there throughout all of that. So it's not as if we don't know each other. I think that given that we've just come through a very vital negotiation called the Fresh Start, it is an opportunity for all of us to move forward, to build a better future for all the people that we represent against the backdrop of what are obviously very difficult circumstances, dealing with a Tory administration in London and other issues that we have to deal with in the north in regard to flags, symbols and emblems, parades, etc., etc.
How do you get on with her on a personal level? What kind of relationship do you have there?
I think I'll get on okay with her. I think that anybody that can work with Ian Paisley and Peter Robinson can work with anybody.
She said before that the jury is still out on whether Sinn Féin is serious about making the North work, and she said that the union is a very positive ideal and we must promote it as such. How would you respond to remarks like that she's made in the past?
Well, I'm an Irish Republican. My All-Ireland agenda had me in Parliament buildings in Belfast this morning and Dáil, Éireann this afternoon. And I think I'm quite entitled to work consistently to achieve what is a key political objective of Sinn Féin, that is the peaceful and democratic reunification of our country. But vital to all of that is the agreements that we've all signed up to, and we've signed up to, well, we have anyway, the Good Friday Agreement, but the DUP have signed up to the same institutions in the shape of the St Andrews Agreement, the Hillsborough Agreement, and now the Fresh Start Agreement. And within all of that, the rights of both sets of major communities in the north are protected. I mean, Arlene and Peter and Ian Paisley and I come from different ideological backgrounds. We have different allegiances. Their allegiances to what they call the United Kingdom. I don't have any allegiance to the United Kingdom. My allegiance is to the people of Ireland, but the people of Ireland signed up for the Good Friday Agreement. And I will remain true and loyal to that, and that means making the institutions in the north work. I mean, I've been to the United States with Peter Robinson on countless occasions in the course of the last 4 or 5 years, and during that we've brought in more foreign direct investment than at any other time in the history of the state. If that's not making the institutions work, trying to provide a better future for our people, provide employment, and ensure that we continue to move forward against the backdrop of all of the bad history of the last 800 years, I don't know what is.
Okay.